Hello everyone, magandang umaga. I am Teacher Joshua and welcome to our math class. In this video, we will be discussing the second activity sheet of our quarter 2 week 9 topic, subtraction of integers. In the previous videos, we have learned how to add integers. And before we proceed to our topic, let's have a review on how to add an integers. Remember, if you want to watch the previous video, it's available in our STO YouTube account. In addition of integers, there are two rules to follow. The first rule is, if the addends have the same signs, whether positive plus positive or negative plus negative, let's add the numbers, then copy the common sign of the addends. Let's have here an example. Positive 5 plus positive 4. Remember, if the number has no sign, then it is considered positive. Since they have the same sign, let's add the numbers. 5 plus 4 equals 9. Then follow the common sign, which is positive. So our answer is positive 9. Let's check our work using assigned chips. 5 positive chips plus 4 positive chips. Since they are the same in sign, then let's combine the chips. And there are 9 positive chips. So our answer will be positive 9. Let's have another example. Negative 7 plus negative 3. Since they have the same in sign, let's add the numbers. 7 plus 3 equals 10. Then follow the common sign, which is negative. Then our answer is negative 10. Let's check our work using assigned chips. We have 7 negative chips, then 3 negative chips. Since they are the same in sign, then let's combine the chips. And there are 10 negative chips. So our answer is negative 10. Let's move to the second rule. If the addends have unlike signs, subtract the bigger number by the smaller in number. Then copy the sign of the larger number. We have here an example. Negative 9 plus positive 8. Since they have unlike signs, then let's subtract the bigger in number to the smaller in number. 9 minus 8 is equal to 1. Then let's copy the sign of the bigger in number, which is negative 9. So the sign is negative. So our answer will be negative 1. Let's check our answer using the sign disk. We have 9 negative disks, then 8 positive disks. Let's remove the positive and negative disk by pairs. And the only disk is 1 negative disk. So our answer will be negative 1, and that is correct. We have here another example. Positive 7 plus negative 3. Since they have unlike signs, then let's subtract the numbers. 7 minus 3 is equal to 4. Then let's copy the sign of the bigger in number, which is positive 7. So our sign will be positive, and our answer will be positive 4. And let's check if our answer is correct using the sign disk. We have 7 positive disks and 3 negative disks. And let's remove the positive and negative disks by pairs. So the remaining disks are 4 positive discs. So our answer is positive 4. Let's now proceed to the subtraction of integers. But before we proceed to our lesson, let's have a quick review in the parts of our subtraction. The first number in our left, or the number that being subtracted by another number, is called the minuend. The second number, or the number subtracted to our minuend, is called the subtrahend. And our answer in subtraction is called the difference. Let's now proceed in the subtraction of integers. In subtracting integers, we have 3 steps to follow. First is to change the operation to addition. We have here an example. Positive 7 minus positive 4. In the first step, let's change subtraction to addition. Second, change the sign of the subtrahend. Since our subtrahend is positive 4, let's change positive 4 into negative 4. And lastly, let's follow the rules in adding and integers. Now, let's recall the rule in adding integers with unlike signs. For unlike signs, subtract the bigger in number by the smaller in number, then copy the sign of the bigger in number. In here, since 7 is the bigger in number, let's subtract 7 by 4. The answer is positive 3. Then let's copy the sign of the bigger in number, which is positive. Remember, if the number is positive, we don't need to put positive sign on our number. If the number has no sign, then it is considered positive. Let's compute using the number line. 7 added by negative 4. Let's encircle positive 7. Since negative signs are at the left, then the movement of our arrow is going to the left. Now let's count 4 to the left. 1, 2, 3, and 4. The number where we stops is our answer, which is positive 3. And let's check our answer using the sign chips. We have 7 positive chips, then 4 negative chips. Let's cancel the chips by pair, 1 positive and 1 negative at a time. Cancel, 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 and cancel. The remaining chips are our answer, which is 3 positive chips, where our answer will be positive 3. Let's have another example. Negative 3 minus positive 7. First is to change the operation to addition. Second, change the sign of the subtrahend. Since our subtrahend here is positive 7, let's change it to negative 7. And lastly, let's follow the rules in adding of integers. For like signs, add the numbers, then copy the common sign. In our example, since we have the same sign, let's add the numbers. 3 plus 7 equals 10. Then let's copy the common sign, which is negative. So our answer is negative 10. Let's compute using the number line. Negative 3 added by negative 7. First, let's encircle negative 3. Since negative signs are at the left, then the movement of the arrow is going to the left. Now, let's move by 7 to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. The number where we stop is our answer, which is negative 10. Let's check our answer using assigned chips. We have 3 negative chips added by 7 negative chips. Since the chips are all negatives, then let's combine the chips. 3 negative chips added by 7 negative chips is equal to 10 negative chips. So our answer is correct, negative 10. Let's go back to the steps in subtracting integers. First is to change the operation into addition. Second is to change the sign of our subtrahend. And lastly, let's follow the rules in adding and integers. In activity 1 at page 80, the direction is to find the difference of the integers, or let's subtract the integers. Let's have an example. For number 1, let's subtract positive 5 by positive 8. The first step in subtracting integers is to change the operation into addition. Then change the sign of our subtrahend. Our subtrahend here is positive 8. We will change it into negative 8. So our new number sentence will be 5 plus negative 8. If we are adding an integers with unlike signs, we will subtract the bigger in number by the smaller in number. So 8 minus 5 is equal to 3. Then let's copy the sign of the bigger in number, which is negative. So our answer will be negative 3. To check our answer, let's plot our integers in our number line. Let's encircle first our mean wind, which is positive 5. Since our subtrahend is a negative number, then let's move to the left by 8 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And the integer where we stops in counting is negative 3. So our answer will be negative 3. And our answer is correct. For activity 2 on page 81, we have the same direction with activity 1, but we will be dealing with 3 numbers in our number sentence. If all of the operations are subtractions, then change all the operations to addition. Then change the sign of the second and third number in our number sentence. We have here an example. For number 1 in our activity sheet, 5 minus 3 minus negative 2. First is to change the operation into addition. Then change the sign of the second and the third number. Our second number is positive 3, so it will change into negative 3. The negative 2 change to positive 2. If we are adding integers with more than 2 integers, let's compute from left to right. So in here, let's add first 5 plus negative 3. Since they are unlike signs, then let's subtract the bigger number to the smaller in number. 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. Then let's copy the sign of the bigger in number, which is positive. So our answer is positive 2. Then let's add positive 2 to positive 2. Since they are like signs, then let's add the numbers, then let's copy the sign. 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. Then let's copy the sign positive. So our answer will be positive 4. Let's check our answer using a number line. Let's encircle first our positive 5. Then let's move to the left by 3. 1, 2, 3. Since 3 is a negative number, then let's move to the left side. Now, let's add again positive 2. Since positive numbers are at the right side, then let's move the arrow to the right side by 2. 1, 2. So the number where we stops, which is positive 4, is our answer. So our answer, positive 4, is correct. In activity 3 on page 81, we need to fill in the blanks on the missing integer in our number sentence. For example, negative 9 minus blank is equal to positive 15. To compute for the subtrahend, let's bear in mind that if we add the subtrahend and the difference, the result is the mean wind. So to compute for the subtrahend, let's subtract the mean wind by the subtrahend, or by the difference. So our new number sentence is negative 9 minus positive 15. In subtracting integers, let's change the sign of the operation into addition. Then change the sign of the subtrahend, positive 15 to negative 15. Then let's add. Since they have the same sign, then let's add the numbers. 9 plus 15 is equal to 24. Then copy the common sign, which is negative. So our answer will be negative 24. Let's check our answer using the sign chips. Let's add 9 chips and 15 negative chips. Since they are the same, then let's combine all the negative chips. So the total negative chips is 24. And our answer is negative 24, which is correct. This ends your learning session for quarter 2 week 9 activity sheet number 2. I hope you enjoy learning the session with me. Until next time, goodbye.